What's up guys, Adrian here. Welcome to Motorista Adventures. Today we'll check out the Ford Ranger Wildtrak 2.2 after 3 years. So now it's time to review the car and we'll check out if there's any problems with the car or what accessories we added on those 3 years. So I'll see you guys on the video. First things first, let's talk about performance. So after 3 long years, the truck still has very good acceleration at speed and a light prod on the throttle, and the 6-speed transmission does not downshift immediately, which is a good thing. It's taking advantage of that low end grunt that this truck has. And revs are below 2000 RPM at around 100 kph, which is very good. Now honestly, this truck still feels very new. No harsh vibration and wind noise is kept to a minimum at 100 kph, but above that it gets a little bit noisy. Now to recap, this mid-range model has a 4-cylinder 2.2 turbo diesel with a 160 PS of power and 385 Nm of torque. Now for steering feel, it's a bit artificial, but it's confidence inspiring, especially at higher speeds. Now suspension setup, it's still a bit stiff at the back, however it's still livable and it does get a little bit jiggly off-road, maybe because of the suspension and calibration setup at the front and back. Now as for accessories, we installed a roller lid because we don't carry lots of items at the back of the truck and we like the added security that it has. And other than that, we ordered these matte black headlight as well as taillight garnish because it makes the car look a little bit sleeker. So guys, we also added a dash camera. If you can see my other videos, I did a quick review on this one as well. So I'll put the link at the bottom if you're interested in this dash camera. Now inside the car, I still wish that we could upgrade to the Sync 3 system because the Sync 2 still lags and it takes a second to register an input. Now moreover, the interior still feels modern with lots of storage areas. Now all in all, the 2016 Ford Ranger Wildtrak is still an achiever. And if you're thinking of getting or upgrading your truck to the newer models, I think you should wait for the next generation of the Ford Ranger. So guys, that is my 3-year update on the Ford Ranger Wildtrak. So if you like this video, hit the thumbs up as well as subscribe so that you can view my future videos on this channel. So once again guys, my name is Adrian. Thank you so much for watching Motorista Adventures and I'll see you guys on the next video.